Assalamu alaikum, my name is Ashir Ahmed and I am here to give you a presentation about my social media project. This is my profile logo and my background picture. These are my posts and these are my reels which are posted on Instagram as well as Facebook. And this is my profile inside which I get after posting an ad. 525 rupees. And this is my business portfolio account. This is my ad campaign, this is my ad set, this is my budget, and this is my last significant added attribution setting and the results which I show you behind in my profile and site. This is my ad detail in which I put awareness ad detail and all the details for which customer I want to target and which location I want to target. This is my business portfolio account and this is my Facebook optimization and that's my LinkedIn account and that's my Instagram account.